Hello everyone, good morning. So in this video that we are going to be discussing about the beta stocks today. 10 stocks is selected, the system is selected, and that I'm going to discuss about the Adani Entertainment and Bajaj Auto in this video. So we have 10 stocks, this Adani Entertainment, Adani Sports, Bajaj Auto, Hero Motors and ICICI Bank, IndusInd Bank and HCL Tech, Naukri and Infosys and SR Transport Finance. These stocks seems to be more volatile today. So the maximum, that means minimum expected move will be somewhere around 9.5, 7.1, 8.82.96. You can see that the maximum range or minimum range. If the range is not achieved today, probably it will be achieved tomorrow or day after tomorrow. We have to be watch about these stocks for a couple of days. Okay. Now that we are going to analyze about how to trade on tomorrow. Okay. So I already taken Adani Entertainment. So if you see that the long-term chart, and then this will be a daily actually. So the price which is very much in the narrow range from top to bottom of 22 to 23 points in the narrow range. If you see that, this will be go up and then down and slightly the uptrend, and then it touched to 61.8 of last year pivot. And then it's reached 23.6 of last year pivot, and then probably trading in the this works as a resistance. If the price which is broken about the 23.6, this trend line, probably around 160, 170, and definitely that will be reached to 190 in future. So watch it out. But that we are going to be trade on tomorrow, that means day trade, so we need to not worry about this higher end move. Please note down that if the price is close above this 170 and all, it will be definitely, it will reach 190. That is the price we can expect in a long term trend. Same as in Adani Sports, you can see that the trend which is the very narrow, so the bullish what we call as a range. So on the price which is reaches the upside resistance, and then it is fall. Currently it is trading around 28.37. Probably it will be possible to retouch this the bottom support of somewhere around what do you call as 27,000 2,700. That is the price support you can expect. And then we have to be noted that today is also the last day of the month, so we can see some price actions. Okay, let me go for the short term analysis. So I have taken here as the article Adani Entertainment. Now just I am going to drop one more line to the close, and then I am taking the page 4th line to here. So we can see that this is the high. Yeah. So I am reducing to 5 minutes. Okay. Now that I am going to apply the pivot line from center to top. Okay. The price which is exactly close at the median. So okay. Now that if the price this is the strong area of the support, and if the price trades above this 23, that means 160.43, probably it will be bullish. Okay, but overall scenario looks like that it will be a price will be a downtrend. You can see that in the Adani Entertainment, probably in the downtrend last 2 days, which is, you can see that the last 2 days which is trading somewhere in the upper head area. Actually, it's the head, and then this is the tail, right? So near to the tail we are seeing some kind of selling is happening. Most probably if the price which is trade below this zone, we can go for the short, and then we can keep this as 1.61 as a target price, and then be aware that if the price is trading about the 23.6, 160.4, and then this will be the most probably the bullish, and then you can also see that the resistance area of 120 and 100 price might be open in this area and then take a strong resistance and then fall, or else if the straight away the price will be open the below to this 23.6, and then straight away it will be continue the downturn. Okay, now we will see the Bajaj Auto. Okay, this is the Bajaj Alliance, Bajaj Auto chart, and then I'm going to convert into the 5-minute chart. Then I'm drawing one more line adjacent to the close. Okay, now that I'm connecting the open and high and low, so the price actions is like that. So in this case, that I have to be more. Oh, this is not a high. This is the high, and then I have to move this low to this place. Okay, now that I have to be apply fib lines. So you can see that the Bajaj Auto is close in the upper what do you call it, the buy zone. Now we have to be draw the what do you call it, the support and resistance zone. Very simple. If the price trades above this zone 23 to 23 plus 23 to minus 23, this works as a zone. If the price trades above this area, we will see for buy opportunity. If the price is trade below this area, we have to be what do you call it, we have to be work for the sell opportunities, right? Bajaj Auto is also a downtrend mode. We have to wait the price which is close below to 23, and then we have to go for short. If the price is trade above 120 area, then we have to be look for the bullish opportunity or buy turn. This will be if it is extreme buy turn will be somewhere the price is close above 100 or 120. So suppose the price trades above this area, and then we can keep our stop loss at below 100, and then we can keep up 161 or 2.61 is the target price. Okay, so my observations will be again it's in a bearish mode. What I believe probably I will be expect the market to come below to 23.3. This will be a 2836, that is 2836. If the price is straight below to that, I will go short, and then I will keep my stop loss just above this opposite side 23.6, somewhere around 28.51 or 55. That will keep the stop loss of 13-14 points, and then I will keep the target price of somewhere around 120 or 15 points is my stop, and then 22 points will be my target price. Okay, if the price trades below 120, and then this area is a strong support, 100 to 120 area. If the price which is able to close below to that, then 161 will be the ideal place to keep our target price. Okay, even though it is a trend which is not clear, so I am expecting the market will be in the bearish mode. Okay, if anything which is close above 120 in Bajaj Alliance, not Bajaj Alliance, it's a Bajaj Auto, we can go for what do you call long, right? This is the short analysis about this couple of stocks that I have given today. So if you see that these stocks will be the very much active stocks, that means most volatile stocks on tomorrow. Adani, you can also watch these stocks and its movements. Hero Motors, you can expect almost 90 plus moves. The average will be a 68. ICICI, this is the exponential average range. It's not like that average 2 range. Okay, this Industrial Bank which is 16. Now you can see that 21.6 is very good. Almost you can see the stocks outperform the Nifty index possibly by 36% in volatility percentage scenario. Okay, 36% you can also see here, and I will give this link below to this Excel sheet. Then you can also click the link and watch the video, and then please subscribe to our channels and also promote into the Telegram channel. Forward to your trading friends or trading group to enhance our subscriptions list. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching the video. I will plan to upload 2 for tomorrow. That means 2 stocks for tomorrow trading. You can also learn, you can also suggest how to what do you call it, new kind of trading techniques. Possibly in a 1 month time that I will be completely going to be automatic. This will be automatically traded into the traders platform. There is no need any manual interventions. So once the systems identify the what you call buy or sell, and it will be placed automatically into the traders platform. So there is no need of any human interventions in the trading. Why? It's because the timing is very important. We have to be entered in the quick time and then get the correct price. I prefer always to take up the low hanging fruits. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe, and also you can watch over the previous videos in our channels. Thank you very much. Have a good day and have a good trading.